It's on.
Thank you for calling Spokane Red Lobster. This is Chandra. How can I help you?
Hi, is Jimmy available?
I think he may be doing orientation right now.
Oh, okay. He doesn't have a moment to come speak to me. It's pretty important.
Okay, yeah. Who is this? So I can let him know.
This is Andrea McGee.
Sorry, what was that again?
Andrea McGee.
Okay. And I'll go see if he can here real quickly.
Thank you.
I'll just put you on hold.
Thank you.
Orientation.
I bet. Oh, he's doing an orientation. An orientation for all these positions being filled.
Oh, yeah.
He won't be able to come back to the phone. Oh, no. He won't be able to come to the phone. He'll be busy, and he'll give me a call back. Watch.
Thank you very much for holding. This is Shelby. How can I help you?
Hi, Shelby. I was actually waiting for Jimmy.
He's in the middle of orientation, though. I'm the culinary manager. Can I help you out?
No, I actually need to speak with Jimmy. Is there a better time I can get a hold of him at?
Yeah, of course. He'll be done with orientation in probably about 2 hours.
Okay, so what time should I give him a call back at?
So let's say like 4:30.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Bye.
An orientation for like 2 hours, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now they're suddenly hired somebody after.
I bet.
No,
He's doing an
oh
orientation.
yeah, he's doing an
orientation.
Hey guys, that was Jed. That was Red Lobster right there. They're doing an orientation now, but for 2 weeks, they had to. In 2 weeks, they had to pull up data to decide if they had a general managers meeting. But now, a day later, after the video we just put out, oh no, now they're doing an orientation, right? Because it's important. They know who she is, number one. They know I said that I had put plants. They know she's one of the plants because she called them yesterday, and we wish we would have recorded that. But we didn't. Unfortunately, it never crossed my mind or her mind to record it at all. And
Until after it was so weird, I had called, and because I was told that supposedly we needed to have a managers meeting first before we decide, and we haven't had a chance to get to that yet. So I call him yesterday, and I'm going, hey, I was just wondering if you had a chance to have your managers meeting, and he's going, you caught me off guard. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. I need to go back and get your file. You need to get my file in order to know if you had a manager's meeting or not, or you need my file to bring up if you hired somebody or not. So 8 minutes later, I'm on the phone, and he comes back, says, sorry, I'm sorry, 10 more seconds, I can't find your file, and then gets back on the phone, and he goes, unfortunately, we decided to go a different route, and I was like, okay, can you explain to me why? I mean, he had told me that I was their best applicant. He wanted me on his team. I have 18 years of experience, you guys, all the credentials, a liquor license, experience serving, all the stuff that you need to be a bartender. I have a food card. I have everything you need for every position available at this company, plus 18 years of experience in and out of the food industry. Okay. and they decided to go a different route. And he said because of a couple red flags on my application, but of course couldn't tell me what those red flags were, said it came down from his general manager, and he wishes me the best of luck. And it took 8 minutes for him to look up my file in order to tell me that they went a different route. Okay? A file to know if they had a manager's meeting, a file to know if they hired somebody else. This is wrong, you guys. It's wrong. It's all wrong.
And she's not the only one they told was the best applicant, by the way. So everybody's the best applicant, right? And now suddenly they're in an orientation, because that's hardly suspicious at all when they're guys. Just go to Indeed.com. That's a good one. And go to random cities and just type Red Lobster, and you'll see that every city you type, they are accepting applications for every position available at their store. Olive Garden's doing this. Applebee's is doing this. Subway is a real bad one.
Burger King.
Burger King is doing this. Pizza Hut is really doing it. Their ads are the same all across the country.
And might I add something real quick? Shelby, the one who just got on the phone, you guys, is the chef who gave me my first interview, who would have been training me. So how could she answer the phone and talk to me during this orientation for heart of the house cook training, and he can't come to the phone? Yeah, you guys, come on now. We're not stupid. Can you guys help us out, please, with this? Everybody needs to know about this. This is wrong. It's so wrong.
It's wrong, and it's important that everybody finds out about this, because you guys, if you're looking for work and you see these national chains and they're accepting applications for every position, especially if some of these positions are 30 plus days old. We've seen like manager positions that are 30 plus days old and they're still taking applications. Why? You went without a manager for over 30 days, right? No, you didn't.
And I have an interview coming up, you guys, at Subway on Monday for the 6th location. Might I add that they are a desperate need for help for, that I have all the qualifications for, and I do plan on recording this entire interview. So we'll see how that goes, and that'll be Monday.
Yeah, and we'll follow this up, guys. We're going to keep following this story. We're going to stay on the Mandela effects, too. But this is important. The Mandela effects were important. They are important. They're important as they're crazy important. But this is affecting people. This is taking money away from people that are going to these job interviews that don't have any money to begin with. This is taking their time when they could be looking for real work opportunities instead of these bogus data mining from these companies that have all this money to begin with. It's wrong, guys.
Victimizing people with children, single moms. They're targeting these people that really need these jobs and are guaranteed to go and give them this information because they really need it and their families depend on it. I mean, their lives depend on it. They're messing with people's children's families' lives. It's so wrong, you guys.
And by the way, she's one of the people, and she's got in her phone, like they asked her at Red Lobster how much money she wanted to make. She told them $12.50, and then instead of getting the job at Red Lobster, she begins getting text messages that, the job you wanted at $12.50, we have the job for you, and tons of them. What did they do?
I have tons of them on my phone.
We got them too. They sold that. They sold what she said in the interview, that she wanted to make $12.50 an hour.
And the messages that are saying, "Hey, we heard that you we were told that your availability is open, that your schedule is open. How about this job for you?" I never told anybody but the applications I filled out and the interviews I went to. How would they know my availability is open? Proof. I have it on my phone, guys.
They would, and not only that, guys, you got to think these guys got Social Security numbers also. There's this plus Social Security numbers, and they're selling these Social Security numbers right along with everything else. I guarantee it. All right, and we're going to stay right on top of this along with the Mandela effect, guys. We ran this video long, but we'll record the next call she makes. We're going to keep at it, and thanks for watching, guys, and have a great rest of your day.